We're gonna get into it. We're gonna make some stovetop lasagna. So we are not doing any baking or anything. Everything's gonna be stovetop, okay? So we have the lasagna shells right here. They were $2.79 a box. We have some corn. We're gonna have a little corn with it, boiled corn. I think it was $3.99 for the corn. And we have these sausage. They were $2.50 a pack. And they have green onion in it. You know, I love the flavor of green onion, so that's gonna help the flavor. And this is them right there. They were $2.50. Big pack for $2.50. I have some triple cheddar cheese. They were 2 for $5. I have a $10 pack of ground beef, which was 2 pounds. And we have some spaghetti sauce. I always buy the can, you guys, because the can is like $1.87. When you buy those in the jars, you pay like $3.99 a jar. I mean, you just gonna open a can for like $1 less. Okay, guys, let's get into this quick and simple meal. This is so simple. I have a pan on the stove with water in it. We're gonna boil our noodles, let them cook down. Make sure you break them up because this is a stovetop recipe, not an oven. So we want our noodles to be small. Okay, while we're doing that, we're gonna put our corn on the boil because ain't nothing like lasagna without boiled corn on the side. And here we have a saucepan where we're getting ready to saute our ground beef and our Cajun sausages together. Once you get it all fried up and brown, then you just keep on stirring it till you get it separated and add your seasoning, your salt and pepper and all that kind of stuff. And also take the casing off your sausage, guys. And then just take and break them up. Just break them up in your with your beef. That's all you have to do. And if you got it all separated right now, you can see the chunks of sausage in there. Take your can of spaghetti sauce and just add water to it and get it all stirred up, you guys. I added some purple onions in there. I didn't do too much. And I added my salt and pepper. And right here, you guys, I got some Gambino French bread. I just put it in the freezer, let it get kind of solid and froze, and then sliced it up and put some butter on them. And there is our lasagna. So simple, so easy. I hope you guys love it. Try it. And I thank you guys for watching my videos. Make sure to like and follow and subscribe for more.